as soon as they come down, we'll go up.
No wall.
I paid for you, you know the...
There are people with no wall.
Oh, yeah. Good morning. Încă și noi împreună.
Okay, so and this is the altar, and over here we have the singer's place. We do have. It's also an instrument used by the musicians. So people do still come here. If you look everywhere around you, you are going to see notes on the wall, ceiling, in every crack. Any prayer has to be paid. So if you look also around you on this wall to steal this money, so if you look, some of them are sold that they become integrated part from the rock. Being so close to the place where Demeter was living, the water is considered to be holy. Okay, now that from the straight lanes. Except if they have emergency and as I said, the women are not allowed to enter the altar. The women are allowed to enter the altar only one time in the entire.
Het is fantastisch weer, maar wel fris. Gek hè?
Ja, hè? Die gast daarboven weer. Die zwarte.
Zie je?
En dat beeld.
Oh.
Met die armen omhoog.
Because both armies, they lost about 16,000. We came this way, entered these towers. The Russians do have these golden rooftops that they shine in the sun like gold. History of the story behind the painting. Yeah.
Don't know. Wow.
Reserved only for nobleness. It was considered an easy way to die.